listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. This transmitter is serving the Jamestown, North Dakota and is running of a frequency of 162.550 MHz. The current time is 12:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hazardous weather outlook. Today and tonight, freezing rain is possible along near the central parts of North Dakota. Light snow is possible with 1.5 to 2 inches of snowfall near the U.S. and Canadian border starting Wednesday. Thursday through Friday, chance of a winter storm could impact the northern parts of North Dakota Friday night. Spotter information statement. Snow spotters are requested to report to precipitation type and measurements of snow or ice accumulations to the National Weather Service. Spotters and the public can also report precipitation type with a free MPING smartphone app.
The National Weather Service in Grand Forks, North Dakota has issued a special weather statement for Jamestown, Lisbon, Ashley, Palouse Falls, Fargo, Detroit Lakes, Bemidji, Thief River Falls, Roseau, Grafton, Langdon, and Devils Lake until 8:43 a.m. Sunday. This warning is in effect due to the recent hazardous wintry mix caused by Winter Storm 9X. Winter Storm 9X is expected to hit the mentioned areas this Friday. Take necessary precautions to protect life and property before then. Make sure you have enough supplies to last the winter storm. Remember, there will be some ice on rural areas' roadways. If you live in a rural area, make sure you are prepared to driving in hazardous conditions if necessary. Snow spotters are requested to report precipitation type and measurements of snow or ice accumulations to the National Weather Service in Grand Forks, North Dakota, or call 1-888-273-8342. The emergency alert system has been activated.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. This transmitter is serving the Jamestown, North Dakota. The current time is 12:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Only went out on Tuesdays. I mean, it wasn't a big deal, but we would have to call Jeannie and have Jeannie call her daughter just for her to watch our kids, and that was a part of the agreement.
Who was supposed to babysit?
Sarah.
Sarah.
Following is a special weather bulletin from the National Weather Service in Chicago. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special weather statement for the state of Illinois. Most of the Midwest and eastern parts of U.S. is under a freeze warning. Snow is likely but not expected. Make sure you are in warm place. Temperatures are going to below sub-zero temperatures over the week. Remember to check all heating systems before the storm arrives. More information will be available at www.noaaweather.gov/warnings. The emergency alert system has been activated.
What happened in July?
Following is a civil emergency message ordered by the North Dakota Department of Emergency Management at around 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Multiple power lines have fallen onto roadways in North Dakota due to Winter Storm 9X. Winter Storm 9X is expected to impact the following states: North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, and Illinois. These areas are at risk for severe winter weather that can cause hazardous driving conditions and power outages. Be aware the power may not be restored until at least 2 weeks.
The following message is being transmitted by order of the Jamestown Police Department. A urgent winter storm warning has been issued for Jamestown and all of North Dakota and surrounding areas. Due to the snow accumulation and predictions from the National Weather Service office in Grand Forks, North Dakota's most recent predictions of Winter Storm 9X will bring snow accumulations up to 20 to 29 feet of snow. Due to a large amount of snow, a flash flood watch is in effect until Tuesday next week. All roadways have been closed due to Winter Storm 9X. The emergency alert system has been activated.
The following message is being transmitted by order of the Jamestown Police Department. At around 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a report multiple sighting of a man dressed in all black has been reported in the area. The unknown man is reportedly sighted with weatherly-like clouds coming from his hands. This yet has not been deemed a reliable source yet, but nevertheless all citizens are mandated to stay inside their homes until further notice. If you see this figure, please hide and keep away from his as possible. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Update complete. Detecting. Earth in danger. Unknown entity located. Life form type, carbon. Time sequence has been set.
We interrupt all regular programming to bring you this winter storm warning. This is a special bulletin from the National Weather Service office in Chicago. Winter Storm 9X has been reported of enlarging, and a result of his rapid enlargements are a huge gust of winds at 110 miles per hour has been reported in the following cities: Grand Forks, North Dakota; Rapid City, South Dakota; Sioux Falls, Minneapolis; Rochester, Minnesota; Kansas City, Missouri; Street, Louis, Illinois, and others. If you live near or around these states or areas, please take shelter now. Make sure you have enough food for 2 weeks. Snow has now reached 3 feet in North Dakota and surrounding states. The emergency alert system has been activated.